Hey everybody, it's Julie Marie and I'm working on my protective sandwich building skills. Jerry and I redid the bread maker whole grain loaf bread, and as you can see, the little piece came out of there and it is perfection now. We are loving it for thin sliced bread. It's moister, it's a nicer sandwich bread, and just in time for a skinny fry sauce. I'm putting this on my sandwich today here with probiotic pickled onions, ruby rock kraut, some broccoli sprouts, some sliced tomatoes, layering it up. And I'm gonna make this one a special delivery after I put everything on this side. I hope you guys enjoy this skinny fry sauce on many different things. Share on the recipe comments, directly on the recipe comments, how you're using your skinny fry sauce, so that those comments will be there forever for anyone that goes to make this recipe. Are you using it on potatoes? Are you using it on sandwiches? I love it as a salad dressing on a chopped salad, stuffed into a potato. What else do I like it on, Jerry? Rice bowls. We've been putting it on favorite fries, baked fries, of course. Let me know how you're enjoying this recipe. This quick mix, blender-free sauce, cup at a time. Double the batch. I recommend doubling the batch, as I did here. Here's my second jar. Take care.
And best of health.